Let me be quick. So once you enter the registration desk and a system is allotted to you in a particular labs randomly. So for now this system is lab 01001 and this system is allotted to you, and this how it looks like. That is your name, and what is subject is practical skill test and basic computer skills, and the left side is the registration photo. This photo is the one which you are uploaded during the registration in the website, and this photo, the right side one, is the live cam photo taken at the registration desk. So you just need to match the both. If there is any discrepancy, please call out to the proctor. Just click on continue. This is where you log in. The password is not there in the admit card, so you just need to enter the date of birth here. So your date of birth, just click login, and these are the basic details here. That is your name, subject, and test date. So this is the dummy because I'm this only for your understanding. I'm doing this video presentation, and this is your hall ticket number, and this is the date which I have recorded this session. Okay, next is this is the photo. Next, click continue. These are the basic instructions. Please read them all carefully. Okay, this is related to the subject. So in here the exam date is 5th November, and we have 4 subjects: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and Access. For completing these 4, you require 60 minutes, that is 1 hour of time, and there are 35 questions overall which are distributed among the sections. So for example, in MS Word we have 10 questions. Okay, each question carry 1 mark, so 10 into 1, that is 10 marks. For Excel we have 10 questions, but each question here carries 2 marks, so 10 into 2, 20. So similarly overall there is 50 marks for 35 questions that you need to answer in 60 minutes. And likewise, please read all the instructions and click I agree. And here, once the questions which are unanswered, okay, it will be in blue color. Once you answer it, it will turn into green. And how to answer it, we will see. So next, this is the page where you stop. That is, here we have a little bit details, okay, minimal details. You can just go through, and here you stop, because if your reporting time is 1 hour before the main exam starts, at the time this process, I think for each candidate takes some 5 to 10 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on the queue and depends on the registration desk how fast it's doing. So once you enter, you can read the instructions, blah blah blah, and come here, and you need to wait until the administrator would start the test on the right scheduled time. So let me start the test for you. As you can see, your exam is started, and this is the post you applied, and this is your name that you are logged in, and this is the timer. See, as told, it is 60 minutes. So here you can see 60 minutes and ticking down. Okay, next, the total number of question answered is 0 for now because I just started the exam. So here we have the active section, that is MS Word, and other subjects you can access from other sections you can access from here, that is Excel, Access, and PowerPoint. So total you have 4 sections as you have seen in the instructions. Okay, so this is where the question comes and the marks allotted to it. So this is where so whatever the questions describes what the task need to be performed, likewise you need to do so. Okay, for example, if it may ask to save, it may ask to open a document, it may ask to create a new document, or bold, italic, under. Okay, so for now I'm just going to give a quick description, that is this is a quick toolbar, okay, where you can access the menu directly, and this is the menu. Okay, in menu we have other options also. See, in file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, and tables. So using this menu and its option, you have to do the task based on the questions that is asked in the here. See, for word it's the first question, second question. So for example, the first question, if I am selecting something and making it bold, click yes. And once you come to the second question, that is the another question, the previous question which you have done, it will be turned into green and submitted to the server. Okay, next, if you're doing, this is the second question, this is the MS Word second question. So if I'm doing some italic thing, okay, I don't know whether it will come on the main exam or not, but only for reference how I'm using the quick toolbar. That's all. Okay, only for your reference. So likewise, you need to answer each and every question, and its related mark is already mentioned over there. Next, if you come to Excel, okay, please make sure, I'm repeating, please make sure, please make use of these menus and its options carefully based on the questions asked. Next, coming to the Excel. In Excel, if you see, by default all the menus and everything is disabled. Okay, so what here you need to do is only the cell which is asked in the question, only that will be active. See, other section, other cells is inactive. Only the cell which is been asked in the question, it will be active. Then you need to perform as per the question, and you just need to input the questions. Okay, so one thing I want to make it clear, no shortcut keys would be working in the entire exam. That is Control A for selecting all, or Control C for copy, Control V for paste, or Control S for save, nothing. No shortcut keys or tab for moving to next cell, no. So you need to use mouse, and for input you need to use the keyboard. Okay, so this how you need to do it. So once you go to the second question, after doing the task in the previous one, the previous question which you have done the task or the event, it will be submitted to the server, and it will become green. Okay, see, this is the now we are coming to the Excel dummy question, second question. So whatever the thing or any formula or anything, it may ask anything, so that you need to enter, and you need to click some other place, or just click enter. Okay, then just click on the next question. Because I have not answered anything in second question, it is still blue. Or if I do anything, okay, see, once you click on next, the previous question will be submitted. Similarly with access, okay, this is the access dummy question. uh, you can do anything how based on the question. You have 5 questions here, and regarding PPT you have 10 questions here. So first question, second question, so like this. Then Excel, access, so all 4 things, all 4 sections you can access here for the entire 60 minutes of time. Okay, so for now I just want to close the exam, but remember, there is no submit button, there is no I have completed the test button. Okay, nothing is there. You need to do it for the entire 60 minutes for completely, but for this demo session I'm going to reduce the time, and I'm going to continue, so please wait. As you can see, I have reduced the time to 30 seconds and ticking down. So whatever the remaining time you have, please make sure you utilize it properly by going to the questions. You can review, you can change the answers or the tasks. Okay, then you can submit it. Means for that particular question, likewise. Okay, that is any task you do. If you do anything, okay, it will ask, do you want to submit the answer? Anyway, now the timer has hit 0, and you can see once it hits 0, that allotted time of 60 minutes for the test is over. Click on the continue button to complete the test. Okay, just click continue. So this is the final message you will get on the screen. That means your test is submitted successfully. You may call out to the proctor, or just raise your hand. The proctor come to your place, he will see this message, then he will let you go off the lab. Okay, thank you.